up, buddy? What's up?
You ready, Pally? You ready?
Huh?
Are you ready?
Ready?
Ready. Like, are you ready? Ready to go?
Last time I was on the ice.
I thought I had spaghetti legs. I couldn't move my legs. Do you remember that?
I was so tired.
I was like, I think I forgot how to play. I'll be feeding you today. I'll be getting the puck to you today.
What?
I'm getting you the puck today. What are we starting with here? We get started here? What's the first one? I already forgot it. What's the first drill? I already forgot. Oh, 2-on-0. 2-on-0? 2-on-0? Yeah. Who's going here? Oh, there. Let's have a good speed here. Switch, 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 switch! Hey, shoot the score. I guess warm up the goalies too. Nice play! No, Roots! Okay, that. It's a lot of skating, that one. Holy. Thank you. You like the hair in the wind? My feet are hurting with these skates. My feet. Shouldn't have worn new skates. My feet are killing. Let's go, bud. I'm hurting today. I'm hurting today. My feet hurt. I probably said that about 10 times already today. Huh? On my mic? Yeah. They are hurting. Good day though. Good day. Here. I love this song. Joe would be singing this song if he was here. Huh? Joe would be singing this song if he was here. Good skating.